Hey Matt, it's Colin. Yeah, thanks. Okay, I'm looking at the highlight template. I thought that's the one you were talking about with the Vimeo. Yes. Now what happens is there's sort of a wrapper thingy around here. So you'll want to remove that, and then you can resize the video and even get rid of this stuff over here if you wanted to. So I'll give you a quick dirty example here. Okay, so let's say Nevo caption. Um, you can change the size of it right here. See the width right here. Let's just say for fun, we want to get rid of it altogether. So let's just right in here where it says beginning is just display, put display and then none. Just for now. Save it and let's just see if that hides it. And that's going to give us a lot more room to work with. There it is. It's gone. No, it's not. Okay, so I hit the wrong thing here. Okay, wrong thing. Yeah, put it on the Nevo caption P, not the Nevo caption. Okay, and that gives you some more room to work with, right? And then we got something else going on there. Okay, for the size. Now all you have to do is just actually go down here, and there is this. Trying to look for the Vimeo background. See this right here? Vimeo BG PNG. That's sort of a wrapper. You may want to get rid of this because that's sort of the fixed width frame that goes around it, which just tidies it up, but you don't need it, right? So basically you can get rid of this, and then there's your sizing right here. Okay, see this is this right here is the actual size of the video itself. That's where you can change the size of your video. And then if you want, you can change and play around with the wrapper sizes right there. So all your sizing is done in here. There's just a couple things you may want to get rid of and then reposition. So let's just say I went something like, what size could we go with here? Let's go with, say, 800 px, and we can't go a whole lot higher, but let's just leave, well, let's leave it at 280 there for now. Okay. And what else do I need to take a look at here or give you thoughts on? Okay, sorry, and finally, of course, in the Vimeo, in the video page itself, you have to change the width here to whatever you want the video size to be, obviously, right? And if you don't want the caption and whatnot, I'm going to change my mind. Just get rid of the H3 and the paragraph and the read more button right down here. Like so, just those three lines. So the H3, the paragraph, and the button, but leave the closing div. Like leave that and leave that in case you ever need to put it back. But let's just see what happens here. Okay, so we're starting to get the idea here. Now it's just a matter of positioning, and it's actually the slider wrapper V, so line 32 that we were looking at there in the video there. So 32. So the width here. And the height right here, you'd have to just tweak that. So let's put the width to, I'm just going to put auto. And leave the height as it is. And let's just see what happens when we do auto. Then it's probably going to just pick up the size of the video that you actually put. Yeah, it's going to do that. Once you have the size of your video set in here, right, like in here, then go back to your Vimeo and then put this line here, 32, set that to auto, but margin left, maybe set it to like 40 px instead of auto. And then what it'll do, it should pull it more over to the left when you give it a left margin like that. No, didn't do that. And get rid of the margin right auto. Right, no, I'm going back and forth here. I found one more. Oh, yeah, another style sheet yet. Site styles and video.css. Yeah. Now you actually, I'm looking at the positioning in the wrong place. Sorry, it's been a while since I've looked at this one. Video component, there it is right there. That's your positioning right there. So change it over to left and then give it whatever number of pixels you want, like 20 px or something like that. Then that's going to shove it over to the left, and you can then play around with the size a lot more effectively. There it goes. See? Something like that. And change the height and all that sort of stuff and get it positioned that way.